Here we go. Superman. If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright folks, so here we are now in downtown Las Vegas at Slotzilla. What's going on, people? It's your boy MrBucketlist here. I just want to give you all some quick tips and a quick review of this experience, and then I'll show you all the full POV. Just a heads up, regardless of what time you're reserved for, expect it to be about 2 hours later, and this is actually during the pandemic, so this is right before they they lifted restrictions, so I'm sure now it's even worse, but even during then, my thing started at 8 o'clock, and I didn't get on the zip line until about 10, didn't get off until about 10:30, so just kind of keep that in the heads up. That's how long it takes. Another thing as well is if you go to Fremont Street, definitely check out this huge screen, the one I've been showing in the back of the video. It's a really good experience. Other than that, I hope you all enjoy this video. See you soon. Peace out. So your little mat thing here. Here we go. Superman! Oh shoot! Oh my God! Yo! Wow! Yo, this is crazy! God, that break was scary. Yo. So I just did it. Oh my God. Yo. Get me down. Oh. Alright, you all. So I did it. And that was crazy. Thanks for watching this quick video I just made for you all for my Slotzilla POV. If you all enjoyed this video and you want to see more stuff about Vegas, please watch my Las Vegas documentary. I'll go ahead and leave the link on the little title card here so you all can watch it. And then also have a playlist, an ongoing playlist of everything I did in Las Vegas. So if you want to see that as well, click on that playlist here. Until then, I'll see you next time. It's your boy MrBucketlist. Peace out.